Welcome to Choice Champions. The best SLP Gifts is probably one of the most thoughtful ways to show appreciation for the speech-language pathologists in your life. Whether it's a practical tool for their therapy sessions, a fun and quirky item that reflects their passion, or a personalized gift that shows you care, finding the perfect present can be a rewarding experience. Join me as we explore some fantastic gift ideas that are sure to bring a smile to any SLP's face. Number 5. Blue Leaves SLP Makeup Bag. Looking for a unique gift for a speech-language pathologist? This makeup bag is perfect. It's a simple yet standout gift that they'll love. The bag features a double-sided print with high-quality images. The vibrant design is sure to catch the eye. It has a waterproof coating to protect the images. This ensures the design remains vibrant even with daily use. The bag is the perfect size for carrying makeup and other essentials. It's compact and easy to carry around. The bag features a sleek black zipper with a silver puller. It's made from 100% waterproof material and linen, making it both stylish and practical. This makeup bag is a great gift for any SLP. It's perfect for birthdays, Christmas, or Thanksgiving. Give them something they'll truly appreciate. What we like? This makeup bag features double-sided printing and waterproof material, ensuring durability and style. If you're looking for a practical yet stylish gift for a speech pathologist, this bag is perfect. It's ideal for carrying essentials and making a statement. What people say. This bag was so cute and a great size. I bought it for my son's speech teacher at school and she uses it daily. Great price, functionality, and quality. This bag was bigger than I was anticipating, but it's still super cute. I use it for pens, highlighters, pencils, but it is big enough to use as a makeup bag. Our speech therapist loved this gift. It's a cute, good-sized pouch. Number 4. YouNique Designs SLP Mug, Speech-Language Pathology. Start your day with this vibrant and funny mug, perfect for speech-language pathologists. The print is permanent on both sides, so it's great for everyone. This 11-ounce mug is the perfect conversation starter about speech-language pathology. It's microwave and dishwasher safe, so you can enjoy your favorite drinks with ease. By choosing this mug, you're supporting a cause. We believe everyone deserves a voice, and this product helps spread that message. Show your appreciation with this unique gift. The high-quality print won't fade, peel, or chip, ensuring it will be cherished for years. YouNique Designs is a family-owned business. This SLP mug is made with pride, making it the perfect gift for any speech-language pathologist. What we like? This mug is designed with a permanent print, ensuring it lasts. If you are looking for a gift that supports a cause and is perfect for daily use, you should consider this. It's a great way to show appreciation and start conversations. What people say. So beautifully done. Good quality coffee mug as well. It's beautiful, good quality, and just what we were looking for. Color is nice, words are legible. Not a huge cup but great size for a gift. Number 3. WCGXKO SLP Survival Kit Makeup Bag. This makeup bag is designed for speech-language pathologists. It's a versatile organizer for cosmetics, jewelry, and other essentials. It's perfect for keeping everything in one place. Not just for makeup, this bag can store various items. It's great for travel, school, or everyday use. You can use it as a pencil case, purse, or organizer. With dimensions of 10L*7.2H, it's perfectly sized for your needs. It's big enough to hold your daily makeup essentials. It keeps everything organized and easy to find. Made from high-quality canvas with a marble print, it's scratch-resistant and water-resistant. The sturdy gold zipper ensures your items stay secure. It's built to last. The opening design makes it easy to store small items. An internal zipper pocket provides extra security for valuables. This bag keeps your items organized and protected. This makeup bag is a thoughtful gift for friends and family. It's portable, lightweight, and easy to carry. You can bring it with you anywhere. What we like? This makeup bag is made of durable, water-resistant material with organized storage. If you need a versatile and portable bag for cosmetics and other essentials, this is a great choice. It keeps everything organized and easy to find. What people say. The correct bag that I was able to give as a gift is great. Not only is this bag a great gift by itself, but you can also put more little gifts inside as an added treat. Very versatile. Number 2. Andaz Press SLP Campfire Mug. Looking for a gift that brings a smile? This funny camping coffee mug is perfect for those who love coffee, humor, and adventure. It's great for birthdays, holidays, or just because. The design is bold and won't fade. Made from premium stainless steel, this mug is built for the outdoors. It's rust-resistant, easy to clean, and virtually unbreakable. It's ideal for travel, backpacking, or everyday use. With an 11-ounce capacity, it offers the perfect balance of portability and performance. Enjoy your morning brew wherever you go with this versatile cup. It's compact yet practical, ideal for coffee lovers and hikers. Whether it's a gift for men or women, this design makes everyone smile. Its witty quote and rustic charm make it a hit in cabins, offices, or campsites. This mug is universally loved. Surprise your friends or family with a novelty coffee mug that's both functional and entertaining. Packaged securely for gifting, it's the perfect gift that brings humor to any morning routine. It's easy to clean, rust-resistant, and reusable for years. What we like. This stainless steel mug is durable, lightweight, and features a funny design. If you like a gift that combines humor with practicality, you should choose this. It's perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, bringing a smile to every sip. What people say. It was a gift and the person loved it. Love it. Number 1. KLUBI Wine Tumbler, funny gift for therapists. Looking for a unique gift? This tumbler is perfect for therapists, counselors, and anyone in the mental health field. It's a fun and practical present they'll love. This tumbler keeps drinks at the perfect temperature for hours. Whether it's hot coffee or a cold glass of wine, it will maintain the ideal temperature. It's great for any beverage. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this tumbler is durable and safe. It won't rust or transfer flavors, ensuring a great drinking experience. The lid is also BPA-free. The clear lid makes this tumbler ideal for everyday use. Take it to work, parties, or camping. It's designed to be convenient and easy to carry around. The 12-ounce capacity is perfect for any drink. It fits comfortably in your hand and is the ideal size for enjoying your favorite beverage. It's a great gift for anyone. What we like. This wine tumbler features vacuum insulation and a spill-resistant lid. If you are looking for a gift that keeps drinks at the perfect temperature, you should consider this. It's perfect for any beverage and ideal for both indoor and outdoor events. What people say. Was a Christmas gift for my friend and she loved it. Great quality. Attractive. Well made and very funny. Perfect cup and love the saying. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.